In this lecture I will show you 10 amazing benefits of onions. We all know that vegetables are good for a person's overall health. However, onions in particular are special. This type of produce can provide for a lot of benefits that most people don't even know about. Benefit number 1. Immunity booster. Onions contain high levels of phytochemicals, and these can boost a person's immune system naturally. Said components can also improve the overall effect of vitamin C inside the body, and this vitamin is another immunity booster. Because of said effects, your body will become more resistant to infections and diseases. This is one of the reasons why you should constantly include this type of ingredient in your recipes. Moreover, you will also benefit from faster recovery and healing time from illnesses. Benefit number 2. Diabetes control. Chromium is one of the active components in onions, and this element is helpful to people who are afflicted with diabetes, as it can regulate a person's blood sugar levels. Complications that can arise from said illness can be avoided or minimized. Benefit number 3. Anti-inflammatory. A piece of onion is loaded with vitamins and minerals that make a body resistant to infections. When the level of infection inside the body is suppressed, and the risk of developing inflammations is lessened too. That's why this vegetable is very helpful to sufferers of arthritis and those who are prone to inflammations and joint pain. Benefit number 4. Healthy heart. Consuming onions, particularly in its raw form, can stimulate the production of good cholesterol inside the body. This helps in the proper regulation of cholesterol levels so that one's blood pressure is kept at the right level too. All of these can contribute to one's cardiovascular health so that heart problems and diseases can be avoided. Benefit number 5. Cancer prevention. Onions are high in flavonoids, particularly quercetin. This element is known for its cancer-fighting abilities, as it can reduce DNA damage and can prevent the formation of tumors too. Studies show that an increase in quercetin intake can reduce a person's chances of developing colorectal and ovarian cancer. Benefit number 6. Pain relief. Fresh onion juice is effective in relieving pain and burning sensation from insect bites. This is true even for bee stings, as the substances from onions carry anti-inflammatory properties too. Benefit number 7. Antioxidants. Vegetables are naturally high in antioxidants, and onions are no exception. In fact, this type of produce is loaded with antioxidant properties that make it effective in strengthening the body's immunity against stress, free radicals, and cell damage. Studies show that including onions regularly into one's diet can help prevent gastric ulcers, tumors, and other ailments. Benefit number 8. Bone and tissue health. The calcium content of onions can help in the maintenance of strong bones. Furthermore, this vegetable is also rich in sulfur content, which can keep connective tissues healthy and strong. The combination of these two elements is effective in preventing bone loss, especially in aging people. Women who are undergoing menopausal stage will also find relief from the symptoms of menopause. Benefit number 9. Mental health. When mixed with the already existing proteins inside the system, the sulfur component of onions works in stimulating the production of amino acids in the brain. This process is helpful for the proper functioning of the nervous system so that incidences and symptoms of stress, depression, and other mental problems can be minimized. Benefit number 10. Proper digestion. Onions are rich in fiber, and this is an essential element in maintaining a healthy digestive tract. With enough fiber in the system, harmful chemicals are released through defecation of waste products so as not to cause health problems. A well-functioning digestive system also facilitates proper digestion so that nutrients from food can be efficiently absorbed by the body.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.